With the number 7 pick in the NBA draft, the LA Lakers select Julius Randle out of Kentucky. I love this kid. He gives you a lot, and he gives you a lot right away. An incredibly physical basketball player. That left hand needs to discover his right hand to be able to go both ways, but he'll improve that. Right now, this guy is a bruiser. He'll be able to defend down low. He's strong enough to guard in the post. He's good enough to get second chance opportunities with carving out real estate down low. He simplifies the game, doesn't try to do too much. Also, for a big man, has a decent feel passing the basketball. Look, the Lakers need a lot, so taking this guy who's going to be an immediate impact is a good look. However, there's an even better look. Noah Vonleh, similar skill set, but he gives you more. This guy can go outside and he can knock down the jump shot. And the Lakers, who are in dire need of so much offensive weaponry, this guy is a hybrid version of what Julius Randle can do down low. He can also do it outside. No, he's not a lefty, but he's as good of a basketball player. So for the Lakers, a good pick because you're picking an all-star in Julius Randle because I think he's going to be that good. But Noah Vonleh might be a Hall of Famer, y'all. Lakers, good pick. Could have done better. Stick with us, CampusInsiders.com.
Inside the Draft is presented by Progressive.